Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kamukam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but kiwai pandep khap mania fila pan call haki niki number.
Usambut minti rang baka jelau ba preston tensong ula ong bakidan daki hajar lagi Jingkynnoh la kedai yanu ru bat ula bo jingkeli dak ba ong hatu hapan Thaw Kynhun Tohkit daki hajar Tylli se pan Tohkit ya kita ki Jingkynnoh ula ong ya kan di hakapor ba ya keren bat kilap thai kubor halor ke Jingkynnoh ke channel C usambut minti rang ba ubasnya balang dhar ba udai babai pisa ya keseng channel C.
I stand by the statement made by him. I think he has already given the statement that I have no such link or no such payment made. So what else we can do? I think that statement, I stood by his statement. And then if, suppose now, some people or some section people are not happy with that, let them, they are free to find out some more information, whatever they want. But as far as government is concerned, yes, that statement he has given is accepted.
So the government will not call for any inquiry into this?
What inquiry?
Inquiry into the allegations?
No. See, if we have to bring in inquiry to the allegations, we have thousands of allegations. Are you trying to say that we need to have inquiry to all thousands allegations? So you need to understand that ground reality also.